Good morning all of you. Yes, today we will do new chapter, chapter 3, that is the subtraction. Yes, what is the meaning of subtraction? Firstly, I will tell you the keywords of subtraction. First one is the left. First one is the left. Second one, decrease. Third one, yes, deduct. Next one, minus. Next one, subtract. These are the keywords of subtraction. If you have in any word problem, these words are in word problem, then what you will do? You will do subtraction. Yes, bache, we will take one example. Open your book, chapter 3, that is the subtraction. I will take one example, that is here. Which one is here? There are 20 spoons and 7 forks on the table. एक टेबल पे आपके पास 20 स्पून्स हैं और 7 forks हैं. Which one more? दोनों में से ज़्यादा क्या है? You will tell spoons. How many? How many is also keyword of subtraction. If you have this word, then what you will do? Subtract. Clear? So you will subtract 20 minus 7. That is the 13. Clear? You will do like as. Firstly, you will do question 1, question 2 and question 3 on book. Now come on the next page. Come on the next page. Page number 36. Now we will do subtraction facts. What are the subtraction facts? Listen very carefully. Yes, bache. These are the keywords of subtraction. Okay. Now we will do subtraction facts. Which one? Subtraction facts. Yes. First subtraction fact is when 0 is subtract from a number, the difference is the number itself. Suppose it, अगर मेरे पास 10 कैंडीज है, I have 10 कैंडीज, मैंने आपको 0 कैंडी दे दी. How many candies I have? मेरे पास कितनी है? So 10 minus 0 is 10. मैंने आपको 0 कैंडी दी है, मीन्स कुछ भी नहीं दिया. So answer is 10. So first fact is when you subtract 0 from any number, अगर आप किसी नंबर में से 0 subtract करते हो, the difference is the number itself. Means difference क्या आएगा? वही नंबर आएगा. Clear? Now second one. When 1 is subtract from any number, अगर आप उसमें से 1 subtract करते हो, कोई भी नंबर दिया हुआ है उसमें से आप अगर 1 subtract करते हो तो डिफरेंस क्या आएगा? Predecessor means उससे पहले वाला नंबर. Suppose I have 8 candies. I have given 1 candy to you. मैंने आपको 1 कैंडी दे दी. तो how many candies I have? 8 minus 1, that is a 7. 7 is the predecessor of 8. 8 से पहले 7 आता है ना? So अगर आप किसी नंबर में से 1 को subtract करते हो तो आंसर will be predecessor. उसका आंसर क्या होगा? उस नंबर का predecessor. Yes. Now third fact is when a number is subtract from itself, अगर उस नंबर को उसी में से subtract कर दो, the difference is always 0. Suppose it I have 10 candies. मैंने 10 की 10 candies आपको दे दी. तो मेरे पास कितनी candies बची? How many candies I have? 0. So if you will subtract number from itself, then answer will be 0. So firstly, see these facts very carefully. First one is अगर किसी भी नंबर में से आप 0 subtract करते हो, then answer will be number itself. Second one, if you will subtract 1 from any number, अगर किसी भी नंबर में से 1 subtract करते हो, answer will be predecessor of that number. उस नंबर का predecessor होगा आंसर. If you will subtract number from itself, उसी नंबर में से वही नंबर subtract करते हो, answer will be 0. Yes. Now we will do subtraction. These are the keyword subtraction facts. Firstly, we have done keywords of subtraction. Keywords of subtraction is first one's how many, next one left, next one decrease, minus, subtract, deduct. These are the keywords of subtraction and these are the facts of subtraction. Now we will do how we will solve the subtraction sums. Yes. How you will do subtraction sum? If you have to subtract this one number, इस नंबर में से आपने इस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फर्स्टली यू विल राइट द प्लेसेस ओवर हियर, ones, tens and hundreds. Firstly you will subtract ones place to ones. Ones में से ही ones को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. Clear? 3 minus 2. If you don't know the answer, firstly you will write here 3 lines and 2 कट कर लिया. How many are? 1. इसका काम finish. Now come on the next column. 7 minus 2, that is the 5. इसका भी काम finish. Now come on the next column. 5 minus 1, that is the 4. So your answer is 451. Clear? This is the question without borrowing. Now we will do one example of with borrow. Yes. Firstly you will write places, ones, tens and hundred. What you will do first of all, you will do subtract ones place. This one. Okay. 2 में से 5 subtract हो सकते हैं. If you have 2 candies, मैं आपको बोलूँ आपके पास 2 candies है, मेरे को 5 दे दो. Is it possible? No ना. So what you will do? You will take the help of tens place. आप इससे हेल्प मांगोगे कि आप मेरे को 1 नंबर एक बोरो दे दो. तो ये आपको बोरो देने के लिए प्रिपेयर है. इसके पास 5 कैंडीज थी, इसने आपको 1 कैंडी दे दी. इसके पास 4 रेडी, इसने वो जो 1 कैंडी दी है. सो यू विल राइट हियर 1. नाउ हाउ मेनी कैंडीज यू हैव? You have 12 candies. Now you will deduct 5 from 12. So here is 7. Now इसका काम finish. Come on the tens please. If you have 4 candies, आपने 6 candies किसी को देनी है. Is it possible कि 4 में से 6 deduct हो सकते हैं? So you will take help from hundreds please. 100 के पास 2 है, उसको बोलो मेरे को 1 बोरो दे दो. तो उसने अपनी 1 आपको दे दी. तो सो यू विल गेट 1. आपके पास कितना बन गया? 14. 14 minus 6, that is the 8. Now इसका भी काम finish. Come on the hundreds place. Hundreds में 1 minus 1, that is the 0. So your answer is 87. Clear? Yes. This is the without borrow and this is with borrow. Now everybody, I think everybody has clear how you will do solve these types of sums. Yes, come on the page number 38. You will do yourself. I can do it. This one 6 questions. After that, come on the exercise 3.1. A part you will do on the book and B part you will do on the notebook. Firstly, we will start A part. Yes. Which one exercise? 3.1. A part. That is the subtract. Means minus. A part, first question. 2, 7, 8, 1, 4, 9. You have to subtract this one. Yes, बच्चे. 8 में से firstly you will write your places. Ones, tens and hundreds. Start कहाँ से करोगे? From your right hand side. Yes. Firstly you will subtract ones place. Clear? 8 में से 9 subtract करने हैं. Is it possible? No. सो यू विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ, आपको 10 से हेल्प लोगे, वो आपको 1 नंबर बोरो दे देगा, उसके पास 7 थे, उसके पास कितने रह जाएंगे 6, जो उसने 1 दिया यू विल राइट हियर. सो नाउ हाउ मेनी यू हैव 18 minus 9 that is the 9. अब 1's place का काम फिनिश. कम ऑन द 10's place. 10's place क्या करो, 10's place की सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है. Yes. How many are here? 6 and how many are here? 4. So you will subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4, that is the 2. इसका भी काम finish. Now come on the hundreds place. 2 minus 1, that is the 1. So your answer is 129. This is your first sum. Second sum you will do yourself. Now I will solve third question. Yes, third question. Statement is 603, 295. Clear? Firstly you will write here places. Yes, you will write here places. Firstly we will start from right hand side, that is the 1's place. Okay, 3 में से 5 subtract हो सकते हैं? No. So you will take the help of 10's place. Now 10's place तो खुद 0 है, वो आपको क्या हेल्प करेगा? तो वो क्या करेगा, वो अपने नेक्स्ट वाले से हेल्प मांगेगा. जब उसने अपने नेक्स्ट वाले से हेल्प मांगी तो उसने आपको 1 नंबर की हेल्प दे दी. उसके पास 6 थे, उसके पास कितने रह गए 5, उसने 1 नंबर आपको दे दिया 10's को. 10's के पास 10 हो गए. अब वो अपनी हेल्प दे सकता है. उसके पास 9, वो अपना 1 नंबर इसको दे देगा. क्लियर? नाउ 13 minus 5, that is the 8. अब सब्ट्रैक्शन हो सकती है ना 13 minus 5. So 1's place की सब्ट्रैक्शन डन. Come on the 10's place. 9 minus 9, that is the 0. 10's की भी सब्ट्रैक्शन फिनिश. Come on the 100's place. 5 minus 2, that is the 3. So your answer is 308. Very good. Now question number 4 and 5 you will do yourself. Now I will solve question number 6. Yes. Question number 6. Yes. 800, 521. Firstly you will write places, 1's, 10's and 100. Start from 1's place. Is it possible कि 1 0 में से subtract हो सकता है? No. So you will take help of 10's place की help लोगे. 10's place तो फिर से खुद भी 0 है. वो आपको क्या help करेगा? वो क्या करेगा? उससे अपने next वाले से help मांगेगा. उसके पास 8 है तो उसने आपको 1 नंबर दे दिया. उसके पास 7 रह गए, उसने 1 नंबर आपको दे दिया. आप क्या बन गए 10. अब आपके पास 10 है, अब तो आप आगे किसी को हेल्प दे सकते हो ना. आपके पास 9 रह जाएगा, आपने 1 नंबर आगे पास कर दिया. So now 10 minus 1, is it possible? Yes, 10 minus 1, that is the 9. 1's place की subtraction finish. Come on the 10's place. 9 minus 2, that is the 7. इसकी भी finish. 7 minus 5, that is the 2. Very good. So your answer is 279. Yes बच्चे. Now question number 7 and 8 you will do yourself. Listen very carefully. A part you will solve on the book and B part you will solve on the notebook. Now we will start B part. Yes, open your books, open your notebooks. Very good. Yes बच्चे, everybody open your notebook fast. And firstly what you will do, you will write here date and day. After that you will draw left side margin. Yes, write here exercise 3.1 and draw a line. We will start B part. How you will start? Firstly you will write here statement, that is the B part. Write in columns and After that you will draw a line. Start first question. First question is 124 from 325. Firstly, read the statement very carefully. Write in column. Firstly, you have to write these numbers in column. After that, you will do subtract. Clear? Firstly, write in columns. आपको पहले column में write करना है. After that, subtraction करनी है. Now, one thing more. In subtraction, you will bigger number आपने हमेशा ऊपर आएगा. You will write bigger number on the top place. Bigger number, which one is the bigger? 124 or 325? 325 is the bigger na? So you will write first of all 325. 124. You will write here places. Now we have arranged in column na? कॉलम को कैसे अरेंज करना है कि वंस के नीचे वंस, टेंस के नीचे टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स के नीचे 100. Clear? Yes. Now what you will do? Subtract. Here is 5. Okay. Clear? 325 में से हमें क्या subtract करना है? 124. Yes. Firstly you will do subtraction of ones place. So 5 minus 4, that is a 1. इसकी फिनिश होगी subtraction. Clear? Ones place की subtraction finish. Come on the tens place. 2 minus 2, that is a 0. Very good. इसकी भी finish. 3 minus 1, that is a 2. इसकी भी finish. Column में हमने arrange किया. So your answer is, you will write here answer 201 is your answer. You will do 2 sums on one page. You can divide the page into 2 parts. Question 1 is here and you will write question 2 here. Yes. Bachche, listen very carefully. Question 1 I have solved and question 2 you will solve yourself. Clear? Question 2, 3 and 4. These are the same one. Now I will solve question number 5. Yes. What you will do? Question 1 here, question 2 here, and come on the next page. Question 3, question 4. After that, now I will solve question 5. Clear? Which one question? Question number 5. Yes. Question number 5 is 528 from 732. क्लियर? फर्स्टली हमने करना क्या है? राइट इन कॉलम. कॉलम में अरेंज करना है. कॉलम में तो अरेंज करना है, बट फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? बिगर नंबर यू विल राइट ऑन द टॉप प्लेस. व्हिच वन इज बिगर? 732. कॉलम में अरेंज करना है मींस आपने प्लेसेस के अकॉर्डिंगली अरेंज करना है. वंस को वंस के नीचे, टेंस को टेंस के नीचे, हंड्रेड्स को 100 के नीचे. 732, 528. फर्स्टली आपने सब्ट्रैक्शन किसकी करनी है? वंस प्लेस की. ओके, कम ऑन द वंस प्लेस. वंस प्लेस में 2 में से एक सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकता है? नो. सो यू विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ टेंस प्लेस. टेंस के पास 3 है, वो आपको 1 बोरो दे देगा. उसके पास कितने रह देंगे? 2. उसने आपको 1 बोरो दे दिया. उसने आपको 1 बोरो दिया, आपके पास कितना बन गया? 12. 12 minus 8, that is the 4. Done. Now come on the tens place. 2 minus 2, that is the 0. Very good. 7 minus 5, that is the 2. So your answer is 204. Clear? Now question 6, 7 and 8 you will do yourself. Now I will solve question number 9. Yes? Question number 9. 596 from 978. Firstly, you will write in columns. Means to say you have to write in places. First one, bigger one is the 978. So you will write first of all 978. After that, 596. Yes. Firstly, start from right hand side, ones place. 8 minus 6. It is very simple. 2. Now इसका तो काम फिनिश हो गया, इसको छोड़ दो, नेक्स्ट वाले पे आओ. 7 minus 9. 7 में से 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकते हैं? नो. सो यू विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ 100 प्लेस. 100 के पास 9 थे, उसने आपको 1 दे दिया, उसके पास रह गया 8, आपको 1 दिया है उसने. 17 minus 9, दैट इज द 8. इसका भी काम फिनिश. अब 100 प्लेस पे 8 minus 5, दैट इज द 3. सो योर आंसर इज 382. Yes. Now, बच्चे, your exercise 3.1 completed. Listen very carefully. A part you will do on the book and B part you will do on the notebook. If you have any query, then you can ask from me. Thank you.